Hello guys, welcome to the Learning Hub. My name is Ankit and today we will learn how to create a 2D logo in Photoshop. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you do not miss any further notification from our channel. So let's jump into the designing. First thing that you have to do is take a canvas so that we can draw something. Go to File and hit the New button. Here I'll name it Pixels and I'll make it 1920 by 817 pixels. Okay, hit the OK. So once you get the canvas, what we have to do is just go here and select the type tool, text tool here, and click anywhere on the screen and type P. Again, I'm gonna select the type tool. The shortcut is T. Once you click that, you'll get the tool, and here I'm writing IXELS. I'm gonna make it in small, IXELS. Okay, so now I'll select the P and make it big. Hit the enter button, select IXELS and make sure that these both things matches the dimension. Here I'm just gonna make it a little bigger and keep in the bottom. So it's all. Yes, the designing is complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Okay, I'm sorry, I was just joking. We're gonna make it better. So once you've done that, select both the layers and group them. Press Ctrl plus G to group anything. Double click and I'm gonna make it LOGO, logo. Double click on the logo and layer styles will open. Turn on the gradient overlay and click on gradient. I'm gonna choose some different colors. I'm gonna make it kind of little dark and I will make it a little lighter. Hit OK and here I will make it 90. So once you've done that, right click and convert to smart object. Hit Ctrl plus T and make it a little small. Hit enter, select it, press Ctrl A and keep it in the center of the canvas. Ctrl D, take a little up, and now the magic begins. Let's see what happens. Go to filter and pixelate and go to crystallize. Here what you can do is just increase the cell size and you'll start seeing the difference in here. I will just make it around 30. Okay, seems pretty good for me, so click OK and here you see the difference without pixelate and with pixelate. Okay, hit Z for zoom. You can also select the tool from here, right click and fit on screen. Select the V tool and now we're gonna make an ellipse over here. Change its color to black, hide it, go right click on that and rasterize the layer. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, keep it around 30. Take a little down, Control T squeeze it, turn it, turn down its opacity. Okay, once you've done that, what we will do is just turn off the lock of the background layer and double click on that. Again, turn on the gradient and go to gradient and turn it to -90. Again, go there and go to gradient. I'm gonna change the color. I will make it a little darker, and I will also make it similar, little dark, so that we can see the difference. Okay, my bad. Here we will turn it to 90. We can also change the scale over here, and third we will change this. Select this and we will change it. Okay, so it will give a nice smoother touch like a carpet. It seems like it's a bend effect. Gradient gives that bend effect. So here in this little time we have made a pixels logo and some shadows and background. So guys, this was a quick tutorial about how you can just create a logo quickly. And you can, one more thing we can do is press Ctrl+T and make them a little small, Ctrl+A and Ctrl+D. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial.